Hello everyone, I'm Ajit Kalwarachike. My student ID is 1478291. This is my assignment 1 for BIT353 Network Architecture and Protocol. For this assignment, I'm going to demonstrate how to use and connect to client softwares using a web server. For the web server, I'm going to use VBX server. This is my first VBX server and this is my second one. So the IP address of the first one is 192.168.2521 and the IP address of the second one is 192.168.25.22. So for my client operating systems, I'm going to use Microsoft Windows operating systems. So this is the client 1 and this is the client 2. Now I'll log into web's FreePBX user interface. So I have to put the IP address of FreePBX server 1. Yes, so this is the user interface dashboard. I'm going to put the second one. Okay. So this is the dashboard of the second PBX server. And now I'm going to establish a connection between the web server and the client one. So then from this one I'm going to establish a connection between the web PBX server 2 with the client 2. Now for the create an extension, I have to go to applications, extensions, add extension, and go to zip this one, add new zip channel VJ zip extension. And for the user extension, I'm gonna use 2111, and the display name I'm gonna use Ajit1, and the secret will be 12345. Here you can use any password, but for the demonstration purpose and for the easy, so I'm going to use 12345. And for password for a new user 345. So you don't have to fill any of these so because they are optional. So click submit, apply config. So okay, now I'm going to do the same thing for the second FreeBBX server. Go to extensions, add extensions, and VGC. For this extension, I'm gonna use 4111, and the display name will be Ajit2. Sorry, here you don't have to fill anything. And the rule for the secret, I'm gonna use 12345. And for the new user 12345, submit, apply configurations. Yes, so now we created the extension in the FreePBX servers, but to access them we need a soft phone application. For that purpose I'm going to use Soifer. So now I'm going to create this one. So my first one is 2111, add, and they put the IP address of the first PBX server. And the password. You can click skip because they are optional. Yes, so there you can see a UTB connection is established. You can click next. And this in here. Now I have to do the same thing for the second cipher. 4111 at 192.168.25.22. So this is the IP address of the second PBX server. Login. Next, you can click skip. Yes, so you can see a UDP connection established in here as well. So click next. We can close. So the PBX servers and the client networks are connected, but we have to connect the two PBX server together using a trunk. So now I'm going to log into the first client PC, and now I'm going to create a trunk. So to create a trunk, first I'm going to go to the connectivity and select trunks and add trunk, add zip jam pj zip trunk. So for the trunk name, I'm gonna put 111 to 4111. You don't have to fill anything in here. Then you have to put add dial number manipulation rules. So in here you have to put a pattern that we are going to request. So it will be 4xxx, which means any number starts with the 4 and finish with the any number, it will show any connect. So then go to the PHSIP connections. For the username, I'm going to put Ojit1 and the secret will be 12345. And for the SIP server, we have to put the server that we are going to call from our first PBX server to the second. So which means the second PBX server, the IP address is this one. So it will be 192.168.25.22. So then click submit. So I'm gonna type one for live. Yes, now it's configured. So now I'm going to do the same thing for in the second PBX server. Go to the trunks, add trunk. So the trunk name will be trunk 4111 to 111. For the call ID, I'm going to use hidden. So the number manipulation. For this, I'm going to use 2xxx. So as I said previously, which means any number starts with 2 will be dialed from here. So PGSIP settings, username, I'm going to use Ojit2 12345. SIP server, it will be this one. Submit, apply configuration. Yes, it's configured here now. Now I have to create a outbound routes. So I'm going to go to outbound routes, add outbound route. In the route name, I'm going to put 2111 to 4111 CID, and also for the match sequence match route, you can here select this one, and go to the dial patterns. So for the match pattern, I'm going to use for XXXX import notifications. In here you don't have to change anything, just leave the default settings. So click submit, apply configurations. Yes, it's configured now. So I'm going to do the same thing for the second PBX server. Add outbound route. Route name will be 4111.221.111. So route CID, you don't have to change anything here. Just add sequence, this one, and for the dial pattern, so I'm going to use 2XXX, and you don't have to change anything here as well. So click submit, apply config. Yes, it's configured now. So both PBX servers are configured. So now I'll give a call from first. So first, this is the first client and this is the second one. So I'm gonna give a call from 211 to 111.
All circuits are busy now. Please try your call again later.
So now since everything is configured, you can get a call from this 2111 to 411 and get a call from 4111 to 211. So that's it. Thank you.